Hey everyone, Charles here with CNC Pony Traders. Back again for a little bit more work on the Foxbody behind me. We'll get you a better look in just a minute. It's a million little things when you're working on these old cars that any of you that have done some work probably know. For us, it starts with the using it as a storage bin, as you can see there. Seems to happen when you're multiple projects going on at one time. One of the things we're trying to get done right now is we finally got the tires situation taken care of. Before we had some steel belts hanging out and split the length of the tire pretty much. Just picked up the cheapest pair we could find. These aren't going to be what's on it in the end, but this allows us to move it around inside the garage so we can get better angles, and we'll show you kind of what we're talking about. As you can see, we've got kind of tight quarters going on. Anytime we need to do work, we're fighting the parts room. We got the exhaust for the Celine back there, and just general household items. In its previous configuration, with the two flat tires on the front, it didn't really work out very well. One of the projects we're really excited about, if you've watched us for a little while, you've seen we've been working on this for a while here and there. But we're going to work on getting this rust out and trying to get the interior to a situation where, again, if we need to, we can, move it, steer it, get the brakes to work, and all that good stuff. Still a lot of work to do. We are going to be replacing the heater core. As you can see, we've got the access started. And mess of wires for the stereo and whatnot. We'll do all that when we're putting the sound barriers in. And then we'll move on to the next thing. I'd like to tell you that I'm a professional car restoration person and know exactly what I'm doing, but like a lot of guys, it's what I can afford to work on and what's got my interest at that given time. So for today, we're going to get these tires back on and get it back on the ground, and we'll see what else we can get done. Stay tuned. Okay, and now just for a finishing touch. Just like stock, looks good. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Again, not a too exciting video, but bear with me. We are going to get some better content for you here in the coming weeks. Like I said, just a million little things, trying to get the garage organized, trying to find the space and the time. Right now I'm at a point where we've got more junk than time, so by the time I get the garage cleaned out enough to where I can work on it, it's time to put it away and go back to work. But little steps. Don't need to have it ready tomorrow, and probably won't. A dream is to be ready for Mustang Week in September. I don't know if we'll get there. It certainly won't be finished, but we can get it mechanically sound, make the drive up from Texas, and hopefully see you all there. Keep tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. That really helps us out. We're hoping to get to 100 this year. I know that seems pretty modest by most people's standards, but we got 15 videos out. This will be 16. So really like to get that first milestone of 100 subscribers. If you can help us out, we appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.